Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollars, and today we're going to be cash stuffing our high priority and our wallet. Before we jump into that, I have 3 new challenges here that I wanted to show you guys. We have this one. This is available, all of these are available in my Etsy store. This one is Let's Do This Before My Anxiety Kicks In. It has holographic stickers and it's a save 25. This one is Game Day. It's a save 30 and it has these little tiny 0.5-inch silver stickers. And then we have this one, which is a save 40 that says Soulful of Sunshine. So these are all available in my Etsy right now, guys. You can get these, if you like, at a discounted rate using the code Doodler. And the code will be down in the description below. So check it out. There's some other good scratch offs on my Etsy store right now. So go check it out if you haven't yet. All right, let's count some cash here, guys. So we have 50, 100, 2, 4, 6, 8, 200, 220, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 290, 95, 300, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 325. All right, so this is going to be cash stuffing my wallet and my high priority savings or sinking funds or whatever. I haven't been doing this for a while. I've been kind of slacking, guys, to be honest, and it is not good because I definitely have noticed more overspending. So groceries this week is getting 50. We have dining out, which is going to get 30, so that's a 20 and a 10. Gas is going to get 25, so that's a 20 and a 5. Aria is going to get 10, so 2 5s. And I'm going to do another little miscellaneous kind of spending category that's going to get 10 as well in 2 5s. So I'm just going to put that. I don't have an envelope for it, so I'm just going to set it in here actually, just in case I run over any of these categories. So that is my wallet. That's done. Also, guys, I have to show you this. I went to the bank and she was like sorting through the money to get me my money that I needed to withdraw, and she set this one to the side and I was like, wait, what's that one? And she was like, that's just like an old 10 and usually people don't want it. And I was like, actually, can I get that one? So I got this one. So I took it out of like one of my other categories and adjusted my amount so that I can just save this one because I think it's cool. And I'm not sure what year it's from or anything, but obviously this is the new 10, this is the old 10. So I don't know, I just liked it. So I think I'm going to keep it, and I think it's cool. Look how different it looks. All right, so if anybody knows, or maybe am I dumb and I can't see like, oh, 1990, series 1995. And this is series 2017. 1995, guys, that's crazy. I was born in 91. So I don't know, this is just so cool. I think I'm gonna keep that in a special spot. My lucky bill. Okay, so we're gonna move into our high priority savings here, guys. It's a little bit of a hot mess in here because like I said, I haven't really been doing this month. So let's see where we're at. So for car maintenance, I'm adding $10 here. So we have 50, 70, 80, 1, and 2. That's not too bad, not too bad. All right, cell phone, I'm saving $10 for the next payment that I have, which I'm not actually sure when it is, but I use Mint Mobile, so it's like $200-ish for a 6-month plan. So we have 50, 60, 70, and I just paid this new plan in February, I believe, last month. So, or no, we are in April now. Hello. a couple months ago. All right, debt, I'm gonna put $50 in here just because, you know, I feel like we need to really beef up our emergency fund again. So we have 50, 70, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100. Okay, so $100 in here, which is great. All right, entertainment, we're gonna put $5 in here. And usually I have just been putting my sinking funds for entertainment from like my mini Mondays. But I decided if I can, I'd like to save a little bit, because what happens is I end up not having money in these envelopes, and something comes up that I want to do or have to do, and I just don't have the money in it, and then I feel guilty. So I'm going to try to cash stuff a little bit each week, even if it's just a little bit. A little bit is better than nothing, and then hopefully I'll stay on top of it and stay motivated. So entertainment has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, then we have gifts. So we need to stuff $10 in gifts this week. And I'm going to be unstuffing some of this because I need to buy presents for 3 of my nieces and nephews coming up here. I already missed one of their birthdays, but you know, I'm a little bit behind, but anyways. So we have 2, 4, 6, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $76. So not bad, not bad. I feel like usually for gifts, for my nieces and nephews, I try to stick around like $20 or $25. So next we have hair. We're going to add $15 to this. We have been saving up for quite a while for our next hair appointment. I should probably schedule it soon. So we have 100, 200, 20, 30, 35, 40, 240. So we're getting close to being almost fully funded for this next appointment. So I should probably go ahead and schedule that. All right, household, we are going to add $10 to household. So we now have 15. All right, and then car insurance, we're adding 20. So we have 25, 30 in insurance, car insurance. Let's see what next. Right. Okay, road trip we're going to use for summer savings. I'm going to put 50 in there because I have Aria during the summer months and she doesn't have school. I'm going to save up some money starting now every week for us to do stuff during the summer together. So that's that. And then this is my business envelope back here. It doesn't have a label, but trust me, that's what it is. And $20 is going in there. So 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. So 30 for business, which is great because, you know, I'm always buying paper or stickers or envelopes or whatever. So that is our high priorities. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope y'all had a great time watching. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.